Hello children, I hope all of you are doing good job at home. So let's start our today's maths class. Children, today we are going to discuss about point, line and curve. So let's first talk about point. Children, what is a point? These are some points. These are the points. They are just tiny little dots drawn on a page. These are your tiny dots which are drawn on a page. We call them points. See children, it's very difficult to identify a point from so many points. So we have given name to these points. This is your point A, this is your point B, this is your point C, point D, point E and point F. Right? So these are just tiny dots which are drawn on a page. These are your points. Now children, can you tell me where is point F? Yes, tell me where is point F? Yes, this is your point F. Now can you tell me where is point A? Yes children, tell me. Yes, this is your point A. So by giving name to these points, you can identify them easily, right? So all these are your points. Now children, let's talk about lines and curves. Now what is line? See children, consider these 2 points A and B. These are your 2 points, point A and point B. Now if we start at point A and straightway go to point B, we get a straight line. Yes children, we get a straight line. And we will give this name as AB. This is your straight line. Right? If we start from point A and straightway go to point B, we will get a straight line. We would call this line AB. So, a line is a part that joins 2 points. Right? So, this is your straight line. Next is standing line. This is your standing line, children. You have also learned this in your previous class. This is your standing line. Or you can say vertical line. Standing line is also known as vertical line. Now children, what is a vertical line? Straight lines are vertical if they go straight up and down. If they go straight up and down. Or top to bottom without going across at all. So these are your standing lines or vertical line. This is your vertical line. Now see this example. See children, the microphone stand. The stand of the microphone is an example of vertical line. Next is sleeping line. See children, this is your sleeping line. This is. Sleeping lines are also known as horizontal line. Right? Now what are horizontal line? Straight lines are horizontal if they go across from side to side without going up or down at all. So these are your horizontal line. This is your horizontal line. See this example. See, this is your rope. This rope is in horizontal position. So this is your horizontal line. Now next is slanting line. See children, this is your slanting line. Lines are slanting if they don't go straight across or straight up. They look like a slope. So this is your slanting line. See some examples of slanting line. This is your slide. This is an example of slanting line. This is your skateboard. This is also an example of slanting line. Right? So next is curve. Children, this is your curve, or you can say curved line. Now, curved lines are never straight. The lines which are not straight are known as curved lines. All these are your curved lines, right? See this? All these are your curved lines because these lines are not straight. And the lines which are not straight, that lines are curved lines. These are also your curved lines. See this? These are also your curved lines because these are not straight. So these are your curved lines. So see again. These are your horizontal line. These are your vertical line. These are your slanting lines. All these lines are straight. Now see this example. Children, look at these few capital letters that are made by using straight lines and curved lines. Look at the letter S. Children, it is made up of curved line. The letter S is made up of curved line. The letter P is made up of both straight line and curved line. This is your straight line and this is your curved line. The letter D is also made up of straight line and curved line. This is your straight line and this is your curved line. See next example. See children, the rim of this plate is also a curved line, right? And this mug is also in curved line. Children, observe the shape of this leaf. It has both curved as well as straight line. See, this is your straight line and this outer portion is your curved line. Now children, shapes are created by connecting lines. See children, this is your rectangle, right? It has 4 sides and it has 4 corners. And all the 4 sides are straight lines. This is your circle. A circle does not have any corner or side, so it is made up of only a curved line. Now see this example children. This picture is made up of various lines. Some are straight and some are curved. For example, see this sun. This is your curved line and these are your straight lines. Again, these are your straight lines. This cloud is a curved line. Then this portion is also a curved line. So in this shape, there are various types of lines, straight as well as curved. So children, this is all about point, straight lines and curved lines. I hope you understand this. Thank you. Bye-bye.